Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to run Python file in VS Code. So make sure to download and install Python on your Windows. Once you do that, just create a folder. As you can see, I have a folder in documents called Python. Just go inside the folder and then right click, open with code. I have the folder Python, but I don't have any file, so I am going to create file. Just click on new file and give any name if you want. I will give manage.py. Now click on extensions and then type Python, press enter. Just look for the title Python and then make sure it says Microsoft. Now click on install. So once you have installed the Python extension, just close. Now type the code to run the Python file. Type print in bracket double quotation hello world. Then click on file and save all. Now click on the play button. And you can see it says hello world. So in this way you can run Python file in VS Code.